Okay, good afternoon. Ah, Nandito na po tayo sa isa na namang makabuluhang activity na ating gagawin po ngayon. This is all about rules of exponents. Now, the first one we have the product rule, which is a raised to m power times a raised to n power will be equal to a raised to m power plus n. Ibig sabihin po, yung power ni m at saka power ni n atin pong i-add. Basta the same po ang kanilang base. Pag sinabing base, yun po yung pinagpatungan ng power ng exponent. So, ang base po nila ay puro po a. Okay po. Now, what if meron po tayong x raised to 3 times x raised to 2? Now, what will be the answer? Ano po ang sagot kapag ating imumultiply si x cube times x square? So, base po sa ating rule, atin pong i-add yung 3 at 2. So, that will become, so kopyahin lamang po yung x, that is x, then 3 plus 2. That will become x raised to 5th power. So, ito na po yung ating sagot. Okay po. Now, number 2 po, we have x raised to 5th power times x raised to the 3rd power. Now, what are we going to do? So, simply affix the base, which is x, then add the power. So, that will become 5 plus 3. So, kopya po ang x, then 5 plus 3 will become 8. So, the answer is x raised to the 8th power. So, ganun lamang po ang product rule. Ibig sabihin, kapag tayo po nagmumultiply, i-add lang po natin yung power nila. Basta pareho lamang po yung base o yung variable. Okay po. Now, the last one. What if we have 4x raised to the 2nd power plus times 3x raised to the 6th power. So, ano pong gagawin natin? So, times po. So, times po natin yung number. So, we have 12x. Then, i-add po natin yung power niya. We have 2 plus 6. So, that will become 12x raised to the 8th power. Okay po. So, ganun lang po kadali pag tayo po ay nagmumultiply ng meron pong exponent na ganito po. Okay po. Okay, so dito na po tayo sa quotient rule. Okay, sa quotient rule po, atin lamang pong i-minus yung power nila. So, for example, we have number 1, x raised to the 5th power divided by x. So, ang gagawin po natin dyan, kukopyahin lang po yung kanyang base, which is x. Then, ito pong x dito, may power po yan na 1, na kung saan, yung power na 1 po ay magiging negative po yan pagka hinigop ni x raised to 5. Bakit po? Kung ano po yung maliit na power, yun po ay hihigupin papunta doon sa malaking power. So, since ang malaking power ay 5, so si x ang hihigupin ngayon pataas. So, yung power niya ay 1. So, from positive, yun po yung magiging negative, basta siya po ay tatawid na po ng sign na division. So, from positive 1, magiging negative 1. So, no need to copy the base kasi pareho na po sila x. So, kopya lang po yung x na common nila. Then, si 5, ito po yun. Then, yung 1 dito, magiging negative na po. So, the answer will be x. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So, ito na po yung sagot natin. Okay po. So, babawas lang po natin yung malaking power, babawasan ng maliit. Okay, so number 2, we have 4x cubed over 2x. So, una po, number po muna tayo. So, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then, x cubed over x. So, malaki po yung nasa taas. So, kukopyahin naman po yung sa taas. Then, meron po itong 1. So, yung 1 magiging negative na po dyan. So, sa taas po yung malaki. So, nasa taas po sila lahat. So, your final answer will be 2x raised to the second power. So, yun po yung sagot. Then, number 3, we have 12x raised to 4th power over 15x cubed. So, una po, sisimplify po natin yung 12 at saka 15. Hahanap po tayo ng common nila na pwedeng common divisor po nilang dalawa. Okay, yung GCF. So, pinakamalaki. So, anong pinakamalaki nila? Pwede ba ang 2? Pwede ba ang 3? Pwede ba ang 4 o 5? So, saan po kaya dito? So, doon tayo sa 3. Na kung saan ang 12 ay pwedeng i-divide sa 3. O yung 12 ay divisible by 3 at ang 15 ay divisible ng 3. So, that will become 12 divided by 3. At ang 15 naman ay 15 divided by 3. So, ito pong 3 na ito pong common nilang dalawa. So, that is 12 divided by 3 becomes 4. At saka, ang 5 divided by 3 becomes 5. Okay po. Then, dako po tayo sa variable o yung x. So, since malaki po yung nasa taas, so, yung x po ay nasa taas po sila. So, 4 ang power niya, tapos yung maliit ay 3. So, pupunta sa taas, magiging negative. Now, our final answer will be 4 minus 1 will be 1. So, x na lang po natitira dyan. Then, 5. This is now our final answer.